Life is short, everybody. One day you're here, one day you're gone. This ain't about mortgage today. It's about philosophy in life. Being out here on the beach, watching the waves, connecting with it spiritually. You get a different feeling about life and where we are and where we're going and what we're doing here. And no matter what happens, those waves keep coming. It's kind of like, a metaphor for life and dealing with things that happen. You're always going to have things that come at you, and they're not going to stop coming at you if you're alive. That's what energy is. It keeps going, transcending. So a big thing in life, is to find out why you're here on earth, your spiritual connection, what you're supposed to be doing, and obviously helping others to add value is the key thing. So taking what you have, your skills, your knowledge, to pass it on to others, and then giving that to other people. If you give good in the earth, it'll come back to you. Maybe not in this lifetime, maybe another lifetime. You look at those waves. They just keep going. They keep going and going, no matter what's happening, no matter the temperature, no matter how you feel, and they're not going to stop. And that's the wave of life. The wave of life is so powerful that we have no control on what it can do. And we can decide to be our own power, our own wave, and create the things that we want in our life. Or we can be a victim of chance and circumstance and blame other people. So that's my 2 cents for today. Be your own wave of life.